Renata, awas.
I am a shepherd. I keep it neat and needy. It is time for a break. You can lie down.
We are sheep to Salita. We just eat the grass and weed. Walking together on the hill. Listen to the music of the wild. I am the most beautiful sheep. I am the cutest sheep. Beautiful, beautiful. You can see it, you can see it.
The story of the seven and the
One day, there was a silver for her to sit around a dry forest, not farther than the single areas. One morning, he felt bored. She thought about what she should do to relax to his bored until she got the idea to trick the villager by sending for help if a wolf wanted to eat their sheep.
I'm so bored. This today is very boring. I wonder what should I do to waste this time unsaving days. Let me think for a second. Aha! I got an idea. What if I trick the villagers and just have fun? Help! Help! There's a wolf here! Come and help me! Help me! Help me!
That is the wolf!
You fooled by me. I'm sorry. As you know, there's no wolf and my seat is okay. I don't care.
The villager ran to the village after being lied to. A few moments later, the sheep shouted again for help, and another decided come to help her.
You're so cute and you're so beautiful. What is this? Make a song, make a song. Meh. Meh. Okay. But I'm still bored and I will do it again. Okay, come on, help me. Help me. Help! Help! There's a wolf here. Come and help me. Villager. I'm sorry, but I'm just lying to you again. You're so stupid, villagers, but I fall to my village a second time. As you know, there's no wolf and my sheep is okay.
I am stupid.
Yes, you are.
I won't believe you anymore.
Yeah. Come on.
After the villager entered to the village, the wolf suddenly caught the shepherd sheep. The sheep ran away in fear at the sound of the traveler asking for help. But this time no one believed her anymore.
Help!
you anymore. That's the end story.
Salamat, Tumara. Madalay mo.